In today's fast-paced digital world, software is the lifeblood of businesses. But delivering high-quality software quickly and efficiently can be a complex challenge. That's where DevOps comes in. DevOps is a cultural movement that aims to break down silos between the development and operations teams. It's about fostering collaboration, automation, and continuous integration, delivery, and improvements. By enforcing a set of principles that aims to shorten the system's development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high quality. The roots of DevOps can be traced back to the Agile movement, which emphasized iterative development and customer collaboration. As software became increasingly complex, the need for faster and more reliable delivery grew. DevOps emerged as a response to these challenges. These challenges include the DevOps team focusing on rapidly delivering new features and functionality, while the operations teams focusing on ensuring system stability, reliability, and security. Their divergent priorities and concerns eventually led to conflict. At the core of these conflicts were speed versus stability. The dev team prioritized speed to market, while the ops team prioritized stability to avoid disruptions. Innovation versus control, with the dev team embracing change and new technologies, while the ops team prioritized control to maintain a stable environment. At the height of the conflict is responsibility. The dev team feels limited by the ops constraints, while the ops teams may feel overburdened by the potential consequences of dev changes. Bridging the gap, DevOps practices aim to break down these silos and foster key principles, which include shared responsibility, with both teams sharing ownership of the entire software cycle. Automation, where automating tasks like testing, deployment, monitoring, and so on, reduce the manual effort and human error. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, with frequent small changes and automated deployments which minimize risk and enables faster feedback loops. At the helm, you have communication and collaboration, where open communication channels and shared goals foster a culture of trust and mutual understanding. The benefits of adopting DevOps are numerous. With faster time to market, we get to deliver few features, new features, and updates more quickly, accelerating software delivery cycles. We also have improved quality, reducing the number of defects and bugs in software, which obviously increases reliability and ensure that our software is stable and performs well. We have enhanced collaboration with stronger teamwork between the development and the operations team, which leads to enhanced customer satisfaction. We get to meet customer needs faster and more effectively. This greater efficiency is caused by the automated processes and reduced human effort. Another benefit is the increased innovation with faster experimentation and quicker feedback loops. To implement DevOps successfully, organizations need to adopt several key practices. Continuous integration, where the building, testing, and integration of code changes is automated, as well as continuous delivery, where the deployment of the software to production environments can become automated. Infrastructure as code helps us to manage infrastructure using code, allowing for automation and version control, while monitoring and logging to track the performance and health of our applications and infrastructure is also automated. By embracing DevOps, organizations can achieve greater agility, efficiency, and innovation. It's not just about tools and processes. It's more about a cultural shift that empowers teams to deliver software faster and better. Are you ready to embark on your DevOps journey? Subscribe to my channel, smash that like button for more insights, tips, and tutorials. And make sure you watch our next video, which covers the phases of DevOps, the tools used in DevOps, as well as the different related career paths to DevOps.